Hello folks, today I'm recording from my yard and I'm enjoying how quiet it is, listening to the birds and mostly enjoying the sense of calm and silence, which I know seems strange at the moment with so much tension and worry for people. So today's video really is to invite you to enjoy the sounds or the silence, whatever's there. If you just listen, just try and let it wash over you. Just let it be. So in that way, enjoy the sounds, and some of that may be silence. Okay, thanks for joining me. That's 1 week of videos that I've done. I'm going to keep going. Okay, thanks. Bye.